So alright, my aluminum 5010. It is a custom built, but using bits and bobs which I already had from some time back. The only thing I did wrong for this bike was to actually buy a E-fork. So this is a Fox Rhythm 34E for some reason. So it's pretty darn heavy. It was weighing in at about 2.2 kilos. So if I were to be looking at substituting the fork, if I were to substitute the fork with a pike, man, it would be light as hell. What, 1.7 kilos for that fork? Easily 500 grams. So let me run through this really quickly. The wheel sets are Hopes with E13s, as you can see, aluminum, and the spokes are colored spokes, green and blue. And after which you got the blue Hopes over there. GX drivetrain with Magura's MT2s, and these are also blue color coded. As you can see, these are stamp ones, small size. My feet are not that big, they're only like 42. Yeah, you know what they say about men with small feet. But anyways, carbon cranks Next SL with customized decal, and then it came with the frame, the Fox DPX2. What I like about this is the Super Cas oil slick bottle cage. Looks sexy in my opinion. DMR snow camos, Magura's blue oil slick again, wolf tooth, Fox transfer. I think this one is 150. Syndicate Silverados, old models but cheap, and these are titanium if I'm not wrong. Super Cas again, stem, and then we got some basic cheap, God knows from where, stem. Sorry, this is a stem cap. This is the Super Cas stem cap. This is the cheap, God knows from where, stem, but it's really short, it's really fun. Race face 6C old model carbon bars, and then you got the ever faithful Raceful design mudguards, the only ones I swear by. Well, due to the fact that the pictures are really hot of women. And these are the Fox E again, boost in front. Oh no, sorry, funny thing was I actually changed it into a boost. Initially it wasn't a boost, I made it into a boost. 150 travel for these puppies over here. I like them like that. It just feels more stable in my opinion. I've laced them with I think they are DHR2. There you go, I'm right, DHR2s. Love them for front. I think one of the better ones. Maxis I think are good, and they are more affordable in Indonesia. I shall not say by how much, but they're more affordable. The same stuff. The rear will be Milan SS. I also like the Milan SS. I think it's fun, grippy enough where it's supposed to grip, does what it needs to do. The the seat post clamp, however, is also customized from Singapore distributor for Santa Cruz Revolution. So this is the old logo, they got the new one, and they partnered up or collaborated with Tune over there. So there you go, sexy ass if you ask me, very very sexy. Yeah, so 6-pack spacers. I think these are the Luke Skywalkers, and then regular Cane Creek headset. Yep, BBs are race face as well. Nothing to shout about, just do what they need to do. So that's it, peeps. Very humble build. My Santa Cruz 2018 aluminum size large 5010, and all this over here did not set me back more than about 4,000 Singapore dollars. It'll be about maybe 3,000 US ish. So in my opinion, I think it's a steal. At least these are the parts which I want, rather than the regular ones that come stock. Yeah, other than that, I think it's very playful bike. It climbs well, it go down, it's really fun. It does not, however, allow you to make mistakes, so you got to be careful on this one. But if you are good enough, I think this bike will suit you. And what I like about this build is that it's affordable. It's, I think, something which people can spend on, not one of those elaborate bicycle components where each will be $100 a pop, or $200 US a pop for the handlebar, for the stem, and yada yada yada. So this is something which I feel is affordable in a lot of people's standards. You may say otherwise, but still, to each his own. And so if you don't like it, and if you want to comment on something, please do so in the comments below. If you think this channel may have rooms for improvements, also please write it out. Just be friendly about it. There's no need to be internet nasty. Other than that, if you think that you would like to see all my other bikes, the bike checks, subscribe, and I will try to upload as often as possible. So these are just the few bicycles that I've got ridden so far. I've still got an Orbea which I've not written about. I'm not vlogged about. I've got a Specialized thumb jumper, also not vlogged about. So drop me a line if you're keen to see more. Until then, see you guys. Thanks for watching.